Hi, this is Petra here, and today's workshop is going to be on games to provide motivation when we're teaching the dog to heel. When our dogs get really clear information and understand what we want, that's highly rewarding for them, right? And it's very motivating to them. I'm like, good dog, that's it, super, I love that. Right? And my dogs love when I do that. Their eyes get big, they stand up, they get really proud, they're happy. All right, and then here's just a silly game of lateral healing that my dogs love. I don't know why, but they love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of almost like jog and go to my right. And my dogs just think that's the funniest thing ever. So I go slow. I'm saying ready, set, go. And I run away.